Everything you thought you knew about the world's most powerful compact computer is about to be rewritten. For decades, the desktop computer was a massive, noisy box that sat under your desk, consuming power and generating heat. But Apple changed that narrative with the Mac Mini. Now, in the secret development labs at Apple Park, a new king is being crowned. A machine so small it can sit in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes high-end Windows towers look like relics from a bygone era. We are talking about the Apple Mac Mini M5. This isn't just another yearly update. This is a total fundamental shift in how Apple Silicon works. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. With the M5 chip, Apple is not just chasing faster clock speeds, they are integrating artificial intelligence directly into the physical architecture of the processor. If you are a video editor, a software developer, or a creative professional waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, you need to stop everything. Because the leaks, the benchmarks, and the architectural secrets of the M5 Mac Mini suggest that this will be the most significant performance leap since the original transition to M1. The heart of this revolution is the M5 chip itself. While the world is still reeling from the M4's performance, Apple is moving at a pace their competitors simply cannot match. Built on TSMC's third-generation 3-nanometer process, known as N3P, the M5 is a masterpiece of engineering. This isn't just a marketing label. The N3P process allows Apple to cram billions of more transistors into the same physical space, resulting in a chip that is not only faster but significantly more efficient. Early leaks from the supply chain suggest that the M5 features a 10-core CPU design, but with a twist. The performance cores are being hailed as the fastest in the world, beating out even the latest enthusiast-grade desktop chips from Intel and AMD in single-threaded tasks. Imagine opening massive Photoshop files, compiling millions of lines of code, or launching heavy applications like Final Cut Pro instantly. That is the promise of the M5. But the real magic happens in the GPU. The M5 isn't just a graphics chip, it's an AI powerhouse. Apple has reportedly redesigned the GPU architecture to include a dedicated neural accelerator inside every single core. Let that sink in for a moment. Instead of a separate block for AI tasks, the intelligence is woven into the very fabric of the graphics engine. This allows for over 4 times the peak GPU compute performance for AI compared to the M4. For creators, this means AI-driven video upscaling, noise reduction, and generative image tools will run at speeds that feel like magic. We're talking about real-time 8K video effects and lightning-fast rendering of complex 3D scenes with hardware-accelerated ray tracing that is 45% faster than the previous generation. Let's talk about the one thing that usually holds compact computers back: memory. For the longest time, the Mac Mini was criticized for its base memory. But with the M5 generation, Apple is reportedly shattering the ceiling. The unified memory bandwidth is jumping to a staggering 153 gigabytes per second. That is a 30% increase over the M4. This means the CPU, GPU, and the neural engine can share data almost instantaneously without any bottlenecks. Leaks suggest that the base model will officially start at 16 gigabytes of RAM, with options going all the way up to 32 gigabytes for the standard M5 and a massive 64 gigabytes for the M5 Pro version. This makes the Mac Mini